Unpack the docking station and its accessories. Connect the computer to the docking station with a Thunderbolt cable. Under normal conditions, a blue light and a green light should illuminate. Check the device manager in the computer settings to system devices to see if the number of upstream/downstream switch ports has increased. Unplug the Thunderbolt cable and insert the graphics card. Connect the power supply, plug the PCI 8 pin into the graphics card, plug the CPU 8 pin or 4D interface into the docking station. Then insert the short connector to turn on the power. At this point, the white light on the docking station will turn on. Insert the Thunderbolt cable to connect the laptop to the graphics card dock. Now the blue light, green light, and white light should all be on. Open the device manager on the computer display adapters. There will be a Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, which is the graphics card. Download the corresponding graphics driver for your graphics card model from the NVIDIA/AMD/Intel official website. After installing the graphics driver, the task manager will show the corresponding graphics card model. When using normally, there is no need to disable the integrated graphics. The system will automatically call the discrete graphics for operation.